Flowers are no longer blooming, but that doesn't mean allergies aren't still in the air. If you are sneezing more, a fall allergy might be triggering your problem. New at 10, 5 News reporter Aubrey Killian explains.
Mariah Harrison suffers from allergies.
I have to get a lot of pieces of tissue and blow my nose every 5 minutes.
Her allergies are so bad, she's even seen doctors for them.
I have to get allergy shots because I'm allergic to plants and grass and trees.
Harrison's father says pollen is to blame.
Just the pollen. Yep, she just gets the pollen.
For those of you who made it through summer without sneezing, one physician says allergy season is far from being over.
It has been a very busy year for allergies, yes. You know, with the this weather, this summer we've had.
Gary Rex Heifel is a physician at Sparks Hospital in Fort Smith.
This time of year, often it's ragweed. It's a pretty common one this time of year, and it will last until the first freeze.
We asked, is there a difference between spring and fall allergies?
Not really.
And does this recent weather play a role in the season?
The overall season could be a little longer, you know, if things are growing a little better. You know, the ragweed's flourishing, so along with other plants.
According to the Centers for Disease Control, about 3/4 of people who are allergic to spring plants are allergic to ragweed. As for Mariah, she and her father hope those allergy shots will hold up for a sneeze-free season.
It can be a pain. It can be a pain.
In Fort Smith, Aubrey Killian, 5 News.
Heifel says most of the time allergies can be cured through over-the-counter medications. You may also want to consult a doctor before treatment.
New